হ্যালো ভিউয়ার্স, আসসালামু আলাইকুম। আশা করি সকলেই ভালো আছেন। আপনাদের সকলকে স্বাগতম জানাই আমার আরও একটি নতুন ভিডিওতে। So viewers, our today's topic is steps to prepare a virtual data room for legal team. So let's start. Preparing a VDR for legal teams requires several key steps to ensure that it is set up properly and is ready for use. Step 1: set up security protocols. The first step in preparing a VDR for legal teams is to set up security protocols. This includes user authentication, encryption, and access controls to ensure that only authorized parties can access the data. It's also a good idea to use multi-factor authentication to add an extra layer of security. This ensures that even if a user login candidates are wait. Access controls. Access to the virtual data room should be restricted to authorized individuals only. A strong authentication mechanism such as two-factor authentication should be implemented to ensure that only authorized users can log in. Encryption. All data is the virtual data room should be encrypted to prevent unauthorized access, interruption, or theft. This includes data in transit (ERG) when being uploaded or downloaded, as well as data at rest stored on the server. Audit trails. An audit trail should be established to record all activity within the virtual data room, including user logins, document access, and document downloads. This can help of the detect any suspicious activity or business. Training. All users of the virtual data room should be trained in security-based practices to ensure that they are aware of the risks and know how to handle sensitive data security. Step 2: upload necessary documents. On security protocols have been set for the next steps is to upload the necessary documents to the VDR. Some common types of documents that may be uploaded to a VDR for the legal team would include legal agreements. These can include contracts, terms and conditions, and other legal documents and that are necessary for their transaction. Financial reports. This can include financial statements, budgets, and other financial documents that are needed for the transaction. Corporate documents. This can include encryption papers, articles of encryption, and other corporate documents that are needed for the transaction. Due diligence materials. These can include documents related to the due diligence process, such as background information on the company, legal documents, and financial reports. Intellectual property documents. These can include partners' trademarks and other intellectual property documents that are needed for the transaction. Technical documentation. These can include technical drawing, specifications, and other technical documents that are needed for the transaction. Marketing and sales materials. These can include brochures, presentations, and other marketing materials that are needed for the transaction. permits and licensed. This can include any necessary permits and license required for the transaction. সো ভিউয়ার্স, আশা করি ভিডিওটি আপনার কাছে ভালো লেগেছে। ভিডিওটি যদি আপনার কাছে ভালো লেগে থাকে তাহলে আপনার ভিডিওতে লাইক দিয়ে চ্যানেলটিকে সাবস্ক্রাইব করে পাশে থেকে বেল আইকনটিতে ক্লিক করে চ্যানেলের সাথে থাকুন। ধন্যবাদ সকলকে।